Let's see if it's really useful or just another gadget that ends up in the drawer. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. The packaging is simple, just a small box with boat branding. Inside, you get the boat tag itself, a spare battery, and a keyring. That's a nice touch because most brands don't include an extra battery. The tracker itself is lightweight and compact, making it perfect for attaching to your keys, wallet, or even hiding inside a bike. And that's exactly why I bought it. I got this for just 1,299 rupees, which is way cheaper than an Apple AirTag. But my main reason for buying this isn't for keys or wallets. I'm secretly placing this inside my bike. If my bike ever gets stolen, I can track it and recover it. Simple. Now, let's set it up. The process is super easy. Just turn on Bluetooth and it will automatically show up for connection. Tap to pair it and it gets added to find my device. If you don't have the app, install Find My Device from the Play Store and that's it. Now it's trackable. But here's where I ran into a problem. The boat tag has a feature to play a sound so you can locate lost items, but when I tap it, it just says something went wrong. Try again later. And it's not just me. I checked online and a lot of people are facing the same issue. The tracking works fine without any errors, but if you ever see this error when trying to play the sound, don't worry. Just wait for a minute or two and try again. It will work. I've hidden the boat tag inside my bike. The location updated. This tracker works by using other Android devices around it to detect its location. So if it's in a crowded place, the location updates frequently. But if it's in a remote area with no people nearby, the updates might take longer. That's something to keep in mind. So is the boat tag worth it? It's small, lightweight, and affordable. If you want to track your bike in a city, it can help. But if you need real-time GPS tracking, this isn't the device for you. Since it relies on Bluetooth, it won't work well in low population areas, and it's not waterproof either. Overall, for the price, it's a good option. Just don't expect it to work like an expensive GPS tracker. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you use this to track your bike? Also, don't forget to like and subscribe